I didn't start my business with a plan or to get rich. I did it out of exhaustion, tired of working for someone else, tired of long hours with nothing to show for it. Sound familiar? If you've ever thought about making the leap to doing your own thing, let me share my story of how I started making sales, without selling at all. I was working full-time installing satellite dishes, TVs, and running wires in big venues. I had bosses breathing down my neck, projects piling up, and of course, mistakes were common mistakes that created delays, more work, and stress. I think many have experienced that too, right? It hit me when I got home one day, tired and covered in dust. I looked at my young family and I thought, there's got to be a better way. My past work at AOL gave me the website idea, but it was really a childhood memory that lit the fire. My mom was a busybody at the local Chamber of Commerce and I was her little helper at events. Networking, connecting with people, that was in my blood. So one day, I joined my neighbor for barbecue and a game of washers. His friend was on the chamber board and bam, I got my first client right there. No business card, no pitch. I just listened, shared my idea, and we connected. That's how simple it can be, relationships. When I got that first client, I wasn't selling. I was building, I was learning, but I did not know it at the time. I got into web design starting with Flash, which by the way is now long gone. But back then, it was the hottest thing. I bought the software, dug in, and created my first website, snurdy.com. With the slogan, "Get flashed at Snurdy Webs." It wasn't a perfect website, but I kept moving forward. Then came affiliate marketing. I stumbled upon a site offering web templates and started selling them. I didn't even have a product of my own, but by sharing templates with people, I found my groove. It's not always about having something to sell. Sometimes it's about connecting people to what they need. And here's the crazy part. I became the #2 affiliate in the US and #4 in the world. No hard sales, just offering value. But I also learned this: you've got to have your own site. Embedding someone else's products or services on your own website gives you control, flexibility, and a personal connection with your audience. It's your space, your story, and no third party can take that from you. At one point I was spending thousands on Google Ads. I was selling templates every 20 minutes, but I realized I didn't want to be just another online store. I wanted to help people one-on-one, just like that first barbecue conversation. So I scaled back, slowed things down, and focused on personal connections. And that's when the real success started. Look, it hasn't all been easy. Flash disappeared, internet constantly changing, but the lessons I learned early on have stuck with me. You have to network, connect with real people, and be flexible when things shift. Whether it's business cards, online referrals, or in-person events, building relationships is how sales happen naturally. So, if you're ready to make the leap and start your own thing, don't wait until everything's perfect. Start now. Build your site, network, and most importantly, be yourself. At snurdy.com. We've been doing this for 20 years, and we're here 24/7 when you're ready to take that step.